Ever wondered how you'd fare if stranded on a deserted island? It's a scenario that's crossed most of our minds thanks to popular culture. But survival skills are more than just fodder for reality TV and adventure novels. They're an essential, yet often overlooked aspect of life. Many of us might think that survival is about brute strength, ruggedness, or even luck. But in reality, it's far from these common misconceptions. Picture this: you're in a survival scenario. It's not about who can bench press a boulder or outswim a shark. It's about resourcefulness, adaptability, and resilience. It's about knowing how to source water when none seems to be around, how to create shelter with limited resources, or how to navigate using only the stars. So let's dive into the unexpected, the overlooked, and the underestimated world of survival skills. Because at the end of the day, survival isn't just about the fittest, it's about the most prepared. Imagine the chilling reality of being lost in a vast, snow-covered wilderness. Let's delve into the gripping tale of Peter, a seasoned mountaineer, who found himself in just such a situation. Peter was an experienced climber, but nothing could have prepared him for the sudden and severe snowstorm that hit while he was scaling the treacherous slopes of Mount McKinley. With visibility reduced to nearly zero, Peter had to rely on his innate survival skills. He dug a snow cave, a quick and efficient shelter that can be life-saving in such harsh conditions. Using his ice axe and hands, he carved out a compact hole in the snow, just enough to protect him from the brutal winds and freezing temperatures. But the battle for survival was far from over. Peter had to face the grim reality of dwindling supplies. He rationed what little food he had, stretching it out over days. He melted snow for drinking water, careful to consume it sparingly. Meanwhile, in the scorching heat of the Mojave Desert, another gripping survival story unfolded. Lisa, an adventurist, lost her way while hiking. With the sun beating down relentlessly, dehydration became a real and imminent threat. Lisa had to think fast. She remembered a survival tip she'd once read about extracting water from cacti. Using her knife, she carefully sliced into a barrel cactus and drank the moisture-rich pulp. This ingenuity helped Lisa stave off dehydration until she was finally rescued. In both these extraordinary stories, Peter and Lisa exemplified the true essence of survival. It wasn't their physical strength, but their mental resilience and practical knowledge that saw them through these life-threatening situations. They knew when to conserve energy, how to find shelter and source water, and most importantly, they never lost hope. These stories are a testament to the human spirit's indomitable will to survive against all odds. They remind us that survival isn't just about enduring, but about adapting and overcoming. Their survival was no accident. It was the result of quick thinking and practical knowledge. Survival is not just about combating nature's wrath, but also about smart decision-making. It's about knowing where to find water, the elixir of life that you can't survive without for more than 3 days. It's about creating a shelter to protect yourself from the elements. The shelter doesn't have to be a 5-star hotel, it just needs to keep you safe and warm. Signaling for help is another crucial survival skill. Whether it's a smoky fire, a loud whistle, or a brightly colored cloth, your goal is to be seen or heard by rescuers. But survival isn't just physical. Maintaining a positive mental attitude can be the difference between life and death. It's the fuel that drives your will to survive, even when things seem impossible. Every survival situation is different, but these tips are universally applicable. Remember, knowledge is your best tool in any survival situation. Survival skills aren't just for adrenaline junkies or outdoor enthusiasts. They are, in fact, essential tools everyone should have in their life's toolbox. Their importance transcends geographical location or lifestyle choices. It's about preparing for the unexpected. Whether it's a sudden power outage, getting lost on a hike, or facing a natural disaster, these skills allow you to think on your feet, make quick decisions, and most importantly, remain calm under pressure. They empower you to be self-reliant and resilient, turning potential despair into a fighting spirit. Learning these skills is not an insurmountable task. It's about taking small, proactive steps towards self-sufficiency and safety. Sharing this knowledge with others not only strengthens your community, but also fosters a culture of preparedness. So, equip yourself with knowledge, stay prepared, and remember, survival is not about strength, but about the will to live.